So you want to know the biggest misconception when it comes to creating content in the network marketing profession? Well, I'm about to share that with you today, so stay tuned. So the biggest misconception when it comes to creating content in the network marketing profession is that everybody thinks that it's just all about blogging. It has to be about blogging, or creating videos, and that's pretty much all there is, when it comes to creating the content. And that is so not true. The reality is that most people don't want to blog, and many of them don't want to shoot videos. But what you have to understand is that when it comes to content creation, it really is all about a whole big entire spectrum of different content marketing formats. There's all different types of content creation formats that you can actually tap into in order to start generating leads and sales in your business. So let's talk about them. The first one is videos. You can be shooting videos about your products, your services, your business opportunity. You could be doing reviews on your company. You could be doing interview videos with maybe people that have success with your product, and you can be uploading them to YouTube and using SEO so that people can actually find them. Same thing with blogs, which is number 2. Blogs is another great way. It's a free marketing strategy, and you can start tapping into blogs and create value-based content based around your products, service, business opportunity, interviews, and everything that you would do in the videos. You would be able to do it in the blogs too. What I like to do is I like to upload the videos, put SEO on it, and then put it on my blog, create some more SEO, so that this way I'm driving traffic from YouTube and I'm driving traffic from Google. Number 3 is podcasts. Now, I don't do any podcasts, but I know several, 6 and 7 figure earners that actually do podcasting with really, really great results. So if you don't like to do videos, if you don't like to write, if talking is your thing, but you don't want to be seen on camera, like basically what I'm doing right now, then you can just do audio and start podcasting. And when you start podcasting, you can start generating leads and sales in your business like that as well. Number 4 is cheat sheets, checklists, worksheets, all those different type of downloadable printables that people can actually download and get some value from. So if you don't want to speak on audio, if you don't want to do videos, if you don't want to blog, you can start creating beautiful PDF downloads. For example, on canva.com, Canva has a section where you can create infographics and checklists and all different types of things where you can create content in those pieces of material that you're going to allow your prospects to download. So you can go out there and market your PDF printables, and through those, you can generate leads and sales for your business. Number 5, webinars. If you guys have been following me for some time now, you guys know that I love webinars. Webinars is a great place for you to show up in front of a whole bunch of people. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. If you have been building your business offline for quite some time now, and I basically was building my business offline as well at one point, but it really didn't work. The thing is that there's gas involved. People have to take time away from whatever it is that they're doing to get to your event. And you have to go through this whole big thing to try to get people to a hotel meeting, a home party, and all these kind of things. When you can be doing simple webinars and get a whole bunch of people in one spot, you can have a whole bunch of people in one room virtually online doing webinars, and you can share your product, you can share your success stories, you can share the compensation plan and all those type of things that you want to be sharing. You can get everybody online in one platform and start doing webinars. You can share your screen, you can do video webinars, or whatever it is that you want to do. So I love webinars. Webinars are amazing. It's an amazing tool for you to generate a lot of sales in an hour or 2 long webinar, and from a whole bunch of people that are attending. So you can generate 5, 10, even 20 sales just from a 2-hour webinar. kind of like how you would do at an event. The only difference is that you're doing it online. Next one is conference calls. Now, conference calls has been around forever. People have been doing conference calls for years. They worked then, and guess what? They still work now. And guess what? I still do conference calls. So you can use a free service like the one I use called freeconferencecalling.com. It's free. You can have, however many people that you want to call and dial in to a specific number. They assign you your own number with a dial-in code, and you can give that number out with the code to people to come and listen to your conference call. You can record it, you can download the audio, and then you can create that audio into a piece of content. Conference calls is another great way to generate leads and convert those leads into sales in your business. The next one is Facebook posts. Now, you guys know me if you've been following me for some time now, and you know that I'm the Facebook girl. Everybody calls me the Facebook prospecting and closing queen. I do that a lot with my Facebook posts, my status updates, whether it be on my regular profile or in groups, on a live stream, or on my fan page, or on a Facebook ad. The goal is to start getting people to engage with your post. Not to promote your business opportunity out there and, oh, here's my products, and putting pictures of your products and all that kind of stuff. No. What you do is you create curiosity. I have a ton of training on curiosity, but if you want to get the most amount of engagement on your Facebook posts, you gotta learn how to do it the right way. And the way to do it the right way is to create curiosity. And the final one is Instagram post. Now, Instagram post is no different than the Facebook post that we just talked about. It's all about creating curiosity. You really have to think about and be strategic about the types of posts that you're posting and some of the things that you're talking about in your description. They can't be salesy and, oh, buy my product and, join my business type of thing. It has to be curiosity. So start creating curiosity. How can you get somebody curious? And I want you to start thinking about this. How can you start creating curiosity in the minds of your prospects? I really want you to pull out a pen and paper and start writing some ideas on how to create curiosity. What would pique your interest? What would make you curious if someone posted a certain kind of post on Facebook or Instagram? What would make you want to ask them more about it, or ask them for a link, or anything like that? What would make you want to ask those questions? Because if you can't ask those questions with your own Facebook post, your own Instagram post, why would anybody else want to engage with that? Start really start getting in the habit of being strategic. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, comment, share it. If you're watching me on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. I actually have a little free download for you. It's a free PDF document, 7 profit-pulling content creation ideas for your YouTube videos, your Facebook posts, your blogs, and any kind of content format that you want to go out there. I'm going to share with you 7 ideas that will help you create better content for your marketing. So if you want to download it, go to lisatorresspeaks.com/free2, and you can find that link right here or down below in this video. And again, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post value-based content every single week just for you. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.